Hello, animal lover. Today we will play again. Let's guess the name of animals. Can you show me which animal below is Mandrills? You're right. It is Mandrills animal. Can you show me which following animals is Wombat? That's true. It is Wombat animal. Can you show me which below animal is jaguar? That's true. It is jaguar. Can you show me which below animal is Labrador dog? Yes, it is true. It is Labrador dog. Can you show me which below animal is toucan bird? It is true. It is toucan bird. Can you show me which below animal is macaw parrot? That's true. It is macaw parrot. Can you show me which below animal is antelope? That's true. It is antelope. Can you show me which below animal is wildebeest? You're correct. It is wildebeest. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and see you next video.